Hello, hello, hello. It is such a day, yeah, such a mighty fine day, yeah. Woo! Nasality. That's what we're going to talk about. Me and Spartacus, my Spartacus. He says, love me, love me. So now nasality can be something that can be really used or hated. Nasality can be something that sounds really good or it doesn't sound good at all. It depends on where it is, how it is, who's using it, how much they're using it, and whether or not you really like that in your sound. Maybe you don't. You want to get rid of some nasality. You want to keep some. It comes in handy sometimes, okay? But sometimes you want to get rid of it. So in order to do that, I have one thing today that's really going to be helpful. And that is the uvula. That's that punching bag in the back of the throat, okay? So what you want to do is be aware that when the uvula is down, it opens the nasal passage. When it's up, it closes the nasal passage, and then you go through the oral passage. So watch now. If my uvula in the back of the throat is up, and that's the soft palate, okay? It's the end of the soft palate. It has arches. So if it's down, you're opening up that nasal passage. If it is up, now the sound is going to come through your mouth. So now I'm going to do a nasal sound. Oh, sorry. I just closed it. Again, nasal. Open. So now it's closed. It can't go through the nasal passage. One thing that you can do is do a yawn. Feel the arches lift. The next thing you can do is a breath. Ha! If you look in the mirror, you'll see that the uvula will jump up because that soft palate, like I said, is flexible. It can move. So, ha! And you bring a tone through. That will open you up, and you just have to get used to moving that uvula. Okay? I know this is helpful. And if you want more information from me, you know it's MarquitaWaters.com. Check out the vocal workout course. If you want exercises, check out Singing for a Lifetime. If you want exercises every week live. Okay? All right. Bye-bye-bye.